What's up, guys? It's Sean again from Stage Review Media. Listen, today we're doing something real cool. I think I want to just kind of really start to try to get my car out of stock. So we're gonna go over to my buddy Aaron to his shop, and we're gonna go and put these new rims I got. Well, not really new, they're kind of used, but it's gonna take me out of the whole stock life. I'm tired of being stock on my G35. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go. I got my brother with me with the SC. We're gonna shoot over to Aaron and get this stuff done. All right, let's go. You don't see them yet, but yeah, they're tucked in my damn G35, something serious. I got my brother over there in his SC. Let's go. Alright, Joe, I'm here at my boy Aaron's shop. It's called, let's see if I can get it in there. Barely get it in. Yeah. Aaron's Auto Service. And so yeah, let me see if I can focus this. So yeah, he's gonna be the one. I'm over here right now, and he let me graciously borrow all his tools, jack and four-way and all that good stuff. So my brother right now, me and him is gonna just go ahead and start putting on the wheels right now. I gotta get it together. So soon you're not gonna see the car looking like this. Real stock. You'll see it's gonna change. Guys, so we're going 25mm spacer in the back. So, and I got the 20 right there. That's going in the front. So I'm kind of anxious to see how this is gonna look. Let's go ahead and just put it on and see what we get. Y'all can see this, my brother here helped me out with it. Hey, them Brimbos though. Got it from my brother actually, off of his 350Z. RIP to the 350Z.
I need a socket tool.
Yeah, we gotta.
No, these. I want to tighten.
Yeah, tight. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
But I need to find a tool.
Can that go inside the four-way?
Oh yeah.
That should be able to go in the four-way. No.
Oh, don't tell me it's the broken one. Yeah, it's the broken one.
No.
Oh, wait. Houston, we have.
No.
It's gonna be on that tight unless it's just dried out.
Yeah, we could try. I mean,
let me go lube it up first.
Yeah. We just pre-put them on right now, so let's see how it'll work. I'm kind of anxious. I really am anxious to see how this is gonna look on the G.
We have perfect fit.
Got a perfect fit, man.
Inside.
Yeah?
You're still inside.
Still, yeah.
Gotta fender roll it a little bit though.
You think so?
Hopefully not. These are what, 20s? I don't think so.
Hopefully not, bro.
Let me get the wheel lux. You know wheel lux?
Yeah.
Let's get everything put right here.
Yeah. Hey, what's crazy is that it's actually drizzling right now and we're in the rain doing this, and I'm trying to tell my brother let's go. He's like, nah, we finishing this shit.
Ah, that's smooth. Damn, that's like butter.
When we drop it, that's when we'll see. I don't know. Fitment look pretty flush. It's a little bit of a poke out, but we'll see. I don't have any SPL links or anything like that, but we'll see how it looks.
Oh, this is nice. I wish I had that kind of clearance.
That fitment is crazy.
Holy shit, I wish I had that kind of.
For it to be stock like that, it's not bad. It ain't credit card. It's definitely fingers, but a lot better than the stock joints.
We're gonna do a test. We're gonna run a test right about now.
You're gonna run a test. Alright, let's take a bit of a moment to appreciate how this looking right now. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think. Yeah, I know I need coils and all that good stuff to drop it a little bit more, but that's definitely coming. That's on the way. I just couldn't hold on to these no longer. I need to put them on the car right now. So we're doing all of them right now. So just let me know in the comments what you guys think.
Now you go straight pipe.
That's it. Go straight pipe. There we go, y'all boys. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments what you think, man. Like I said, I had to get it out of that stock mode, man. It was just, these had to go. They had to go, man. I'm sorry if the wind is hitting too, by the way. But let me know what y'all think. With that being said, I guess we out of here, man. I got another video coming up. I'm gonna do something kind of old school. A lot of people don't do it no more. I hope y'all will like it. I don't see too many G's with it and anything like that. So just be prepared for the next video. I want to give a big thanks to my brother helping me out. I'm gonna drop his Instagram. Hopefully when he feels comfortable enough to start posting his car on his Instagram, he'll do it. So big thanks to you, bruh.
No problem.
I appreciate it. So till then, like I say, next video, be prepared for that. All right, again, comment, like, and subscribe. Like I say, I'm gonna get more consistent with my videos. Yeah, I'm gonna get more consistent with my videos. So please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what's going on. Leave some comments. Let me know what you feel. All right. Stay driven. 1.